How to use StockX price chart. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use StockX price chart. To use StockX price chart and historical data effectively, you can access a real-time market transparency that shows exactly what buyers are paying for specific items, or this data helps you determine fair market value and identify whether a product price is trending up or down. What you need is just simply search for any item, like sneakers or anything, something, and just go to or scroll down to market data or price history. When you scroll down, you will be able to find history data, price range, high, low, all that. And if you are seller, you could just simply tap on a product name in your listing to open the market data plan as well, and you could just go ahead and select view all sell to see a complete chronological list of your every transactions for that specific size, including date, time, and price as well. This is how you're supposed to use or use StockX price chart. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.